Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a haul. This is from Boxycharm. I finally just got my order from last month and I got this month's stuff, so I decided to put them together. Um, the items that I got from last month is, the first item I got was this I Am Beauty Kit Dead Sea Minerals Charcoal Makeup Wipes. And I did get these in my Boxycharm box last month. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have ordered this. But, oh, excuse me. This was originally $12 and I paid $3 for this. The next item I got was from Patchology. This is Best Foot Forward. Looks like this, and this is a foot mask. On the website, they say these were $20. I know that they lying. But anyways, $20, and I also paid $3 for these. I got this Dr. Brandt antioxidant spray toner. Original price $40, and I paid $3 for this. I got this lip paint by Model Rock, and this retails for $24. Excuse me, $25, and I paid $3 for it. And it's in the shade Don't Panic. Really pretty pink. The next thing I got was some wipes. This is from Perlice. This is the Watermelon Energizer Makeup Removal Wipes. And they retail for $8, and I also paid $3 for them. I got the Clean Slate Club. This is the clean towel, and it has 25 in here, I believe. Yes, 25. I really enjoy these. This retails for $10. They come in different sizes. This one retails for $10, and I paid $3 for it. I like these, and it also comes with a thing that you can hang onto your wall, whatever, to sit the box on. And because I got these in one of my Boxycharm box, and it was really nice, so, and I enjoyed them. So I got another pack, so yeah, I got that. I got a face mask. This is from Sweet Chef. This is a Kale and Vitamin B Kale and Vitamin B Fresh Press Sheet Mask. This retails for $3.50, and I got it for $1. I got these House of Lashes. These are iconic lashes, and they retail for $12, I believe. Yes, these retail for $12, and I paid $3 for them. And the last thing from this is all the things that I showed you are from August. And I just not getting my items. So this is by MedHeal. This is the Charcoal Bubble Cleansing Mask. The Charcoal Bubble Cleansing Pads. It detoxify and clarifying. So you get 20 in here. I like anything with charcoal in it, and these retails for $12, and I got it for $3. So if I like these, I would definitely pay the $12 for these. Now for September items, I only got 3 items. The first item is from Perlice. This is the Perfect Glow BB Cream. And I think they sent me the wrong shade. This is in the shade 10. I know it's the wrong one. That's so But anyways, yeah, I got that and I paid $4. And the original price was $35, so that was a good deal. The next item I got from Pinky Rose. This is the Jazz and Hip Hop pencils that came in last month's box. And these were originally $20 and I paid $4 for them. Yep, that's the shade there. Yep. So yeah, I wanted to try this product out. I heard good things about this brand, so I should have got some palettes. They had some beautiful palettes last month, but I have so many palettes, I don't need no more damn palettes. And the last item that I got was the Ciate London. This is the Glitter Flip Holographic Lip Color. And I got it in Love Stick. And this retails for $19 and I got this for $4. I'm sorry, $3. And it's just a pretty pink. And it got little glitters in it. Really pretty. Can't wait to try that. So guys, yes, that is all the items that I got in my Boxy pop-up and add-ons. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.